Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer Wet and Carnation and Maniology MXM112 and Ocean Floor. I've already painted my nails with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is MJ Lacquer Wet and Carnation Magnetic from Polish Pickup April of 2023. Let me get that magnet out and show y'all real quick. Ta-da! There we go. Playing with the magnet. You can see that shift under the light. I mean, it's got all kind of colors going on. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and go in with our first coat. I do have the magnet under my finger. And for this coat, it's really not going to do too much. And, but in the end, I'm going to end up bringing it over top like I, used to always do my magnetics. So there's the first coat, and we're going to go in with the second coat of Wet and Carnation. Doing our second coat here, again with the magnet under my finger. Of course, I'm moving my finger around, so I don't know what good I'm doing here. Had to get some more polish on that brush. There we go. Very pretty. And as always, I tell y'all this all the time, but the camera just doesn't do this justice. It is stunning, in your face stunning. I am going to do a third coat, and once I get this coat on, I'm going to put that magnet diagonally across it. You can see I've already done the other nails. I'm going to get that on there, and here we go. I got to hold it for 30 seconds, so I sped this up 2 times the speed, so you didn't, 30 seconds don't sound like a lot, but it is. 30 seconds is a while. Then I'm going to top it with I&M out the door. And so I've got the magnet done. Here we go with the I&M out the door. Quick dry top coat. I am going to coat this rascal up real quick and then hold the magnet over it again. I'll cap my fridge real quick. And then magnetize. And I sped this 4 times up for 30 seconds. And there it is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There's my swatch photo. And here we go. We got Maniology MXM112. Working my way through some of my unused plates. A lot of cool images. Got my cube stamper out. A little Maniology scraper. And this is Maniology's Ocean Floor. Ah, so pretty. So pretty. Now, you're not going to be able to see what the images are on my nails. Just too much going on. With my base polish being magnetic and all multi-chrome, and then the stamping polish being multi-chrome, you're not going to see palm trees and stuffs. But you are going to get to see that there's definitely a difference. So I cleaned my stamper off on a lint roller, and we're just going to carry on. I'm going to use half of this image on one nail and the other half on the other nail. I am going to use or leave 2 of my nails free and open just to show the magnetic, to keep that out. Now I got to figure out which side I'm supposed to be doing this on. Oh goodness, girl, does it really matter? No. Anyway, here we go. Now, even though you couldn't see the images and tell what they were, I still ended up really loving this because I love all that contrast. And you can see the blue and the green, kind of greenish yellow. It's just, ugh, so pretty. And I did think about stamping over what I'd already stamped, maybe with white or light gray or something to make it more pronounced, but I decided against it. Get that stuff off the stamper, and then now we're going to clean the plate off with some acetone. Wipe it with a lint-free wipe real quick. And check the back. It's all good. Going to get my little stampy mat clean. And voila. Alright, I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. It's coming up really easy this time. Some polishes do. Some polishes don't. This one came up really easy. And we're going to get our cleanup brush out here. Just to kind of tidy things up just a little bit. any splotches or smooches or, you know, anything hanging out. It's not going to take long. It's not going to do much. There we have it. Done. We're going to now put some smudge-free top coat on this one and get that to dry down. Yep. I know you can't tell what they are. It's okay. And now I'm going to use I&M's Out the Door to go over these nails for, well, let's say a final time. Because you guys normally expect this to be the end of it, right? She's top coating. She's going to show us a picture. I'm going to show you just a little posing with these colors. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He's such a good helper. So you can see, I mean, just in different lights. I didn't really change my lights. I just turned my hand a little bit. But just some bling, bling, bling. And there is my swatch photo. Kind of wild looking. I decided to add some Anchor and Heart Sea Glass slipper over it. Mattify it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.